Hello, my name is Robert Tiedemann and I developed H-500 together with an international team of experts. Our combined research effort spans decades and implements research breakthroughs in biophysics and biochemistry. H-500 is an exceptionally potent antioxidant that is based on the unique synergies of concentrated free hydrogen in an alkalizing matrix of organic minerals. H-500 has been trusted by people all over the world for almost 10 years. Hydrogen is the smallest and most fundamental element in existence. That is why it appears in the top left corner of the periodic table. 75% of the visible universe is made of hydrogen. It is the most common element, but it is predominantly bound to other molecules, like water. The free form of hydrogen, however, is not bound to any other molecule. It's very scarce because it is lighter than air and evaporates. This is exactly the form of hydrogen used in H-500 because it is the most potent element enhancing your antioxidant defense system. So why is this so important? Our bodies produce energy all the time to keep us alive and well. Even at rest, we produce enough energy to power a 70-watt light bulb. This power is generated by the mitochondria, the engines of the cells in our body. But like a car engine, they emit significant amounts of aggressive toxic waste products called free radicals. Free radicals are missing an electron, which makes them short-lived, unstable, and highly reactive. They create serious damage in the cell by stealing electrons from any other intact molecule in their vicinity. Normally, your antioxidant defense system can take care of free radicals before they can do any harm. But with age, our antioxidant shield wears out, depletes, and becomes less and less effective. But aging is not the only problem. Depending on your diet, lifestyle, and environment, the amount of free radicals in your cells can exceed the capacity of your antioxidant defense system. When excess free radicals are formed inside your cells, it results in serious consequences for your health. Long-term free radical damage is called oxidative stress, and it has been linked to most chronic diseases. That is why antioxidants have been a primary focus by thousands of scientists worldwide. In over 500 peer-reviewed articles, concentrated free hydrogen has clearly shown to be superior to all other antioxidants when taken as a supplement. Free hydrogen is the smallest but most powerful antioxidant in existence. Because it is smaller than other antioxidants, free hydrogen can easily cross the cell membranes and the blood-brain barrier. Only hydrogen can neutralize harmful free radicals directly and quickly in a matter of seconds. Free hydrogen is a selective antioxidant, targeting only harmful free radicals which have a specific redox signature. When it has done its job, hydrogen is converted into pure water. Free hydrogen improves the total antioxidant capacity of the body by enhancing your antioxidant enzyme systems, such as glutathione peroxidase, superoxide dismutase, and catalase. Free hydrogen increases hydration and reduces lactate, the key factors for enhanced performance and recovery. That is why concentrated free hydrogen is so popular among top athletes and business people. H-500 provides the right kind of hydrogen in exactly the right concentration, so your antioxidant capacity goes up and your oxidative stress goes down quickly and effectively. H-500 is the easiest way to get free hydrogen into your body on a daily basis. Just take a few capsules and high concentrations of free hydrogen will be produced inside your stomach in a matter of seconds. To increase the efficiency of H-500 even more, we embedded hydrogen in a synergistic matrix of alkalizing minerals, essential for energy metabolism. Only the most bioavailable organic forms synergize fully with free hydrogen, making H-500 the most advanced hydrogen supplement on the market. So if you want to increase your stamina, remain clear and focused even in stressful situations, and have your antioxidant defense shield fully active on demand, then H-500 is made for you.